Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks for tuning in. And in today's video, I want to talk about how you start business from scratch without no money in US as a foreigner. Coming up. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification button so you're notified every time I release new content. And let's get started. In today's video, I want to actually focus on how can you start your business in the United States with no money as a foreigner and how can you succeed. So, for those who don't know me, I am also immigrant, I'm also entrepreneur, and I am also E2 visa expert and business immigration attorney, and I'm helping foreigners to start companies in the United States, obtain E2 investor visas, and live their American dream. Now, the question I'm getting all the time is, what if I don't have any funds? And I can totally relate because I was in this exact situation myself 10 years ago when I graduated law school in the United States, could not get a job, could not find H-1B visa sponsor, and I was exactly in this identical situation. I had no money, I was in large debt, I had no work visa, actually my visa was about to expire, and I was looking for solutions. So here is this solution that I'm proposing for you. Forget about the E2 visa for now. Forget about it, because with E2 visa you have to invest substantial amount of capital. I have a playlist here, I'm going to be linking it for you when it comes to E2 visas, the requirements, everything you need to know, and you will also find free webinar training below this video. But for now, I want you to forget about this E2 visa. Instead, I want you to focus on how can you start business without any funds, with no money, actually with no experience. How can you start business? Because this is exactly what I did myself. So step number one is to decide on your niche. What is going to be your niche? Many times people ask me, what is it niche? What does it mean? Niche, whatever you want to call it, pronounce it. It's basically your area of expertise. You need to decide who you're going to serve, who is going to be your audience, what problem you're going to solve for this specific audience of people. And the more specific you are, the better, because that's the easiest and fastest way for you to stand out in the saturated market. So you have to decide who you want to serve, and this is usually some person. These are going to be people who are similar to you, somebody who is going through similar problems, similar struggles, and something that you have overcome over the years you can use as a story that's going to help you to attract these people. But first you need to decide who do you want to serve and what problem you are solving. Actually, making money is all about solving problems. Being an entrepreneur is all about solving problem and being paid for it. So for you to start making money with your business, brand new business, service-based business, the easiest way without any experience is to first define how are you different compared to other people. So first things first, you're going to define your niche, who you want to serve, what kind of audience, what kind of people you want to serve, what problem you're solving. Once you're done with definition of your niche, then you want to research competition. Now, I don't want you to get stuck there. You're different, you have different story, you have different magic, you have different experience, and people will pay you eventually for who you are, not just what you know, because obviously there is a competition. Obviously there are people like you, but you are you and you have your story, you are unique, and there is nobody like you. Let me give you an example, guys. When I talk to people who approach me, and these are usually immigrant entrepreneurs, these people tell me very clearly they appreciate me, they want to work with me because not only I am an immigration lawyer in the United States of America, but I'm also immigrant. And not just that being an immigrant is one thing. Another thing is to be an immigration lawyer. But on top of that, I'm also an entrepreneur. I'm running my businesses, and I know exactly how to run a business and how to grow the business, because this is exactly what I've been through, what I've been doing the past 10 years. So for you guys, you need to find a niche audience, solving a problem for a specific group of people based on your story. And after you do that, I want you to look at the competition. And I want you to research your competition, people who are similar to you. In fact, I don't even like to use the word competition because there is no competition. You are you, you are unique, you are very unique in what you do or what you're about to start doing and serving other people. But let's suppose there is somebody who is offering similar services. You will research these people and take a look at their offering. And you are doing it just out of curiosity, just to have idea how they're doing things. And here's my tip for you. Because they're already existing, because they're already making money, because they're already successful, there is the market proof that this niche is profitable. Because I want you to pick a niche that is in fact profitable, but I want you to put a spin on it. And that spin is your story. You can do things in a different way. Let me give you an example again. Other immigration lawyers, many of them are offering different kind of immigration services. I focus on entrepreneurs only. That's it. It's a different spin that gives me advantage because it's based on my story. People relate to me, people want to work with me, and then people even want to pay me premium just to be and working with me for that exact reason. They know I will give them more value than the other person who never been in my shoes, in my situation. So you guys gonna put spin on it. Once you do that, based on your story, based on your unique skills, then you're going to validate this offer. You're going to find beta clients. These are people who will pay you discounted price or no price for this service that you start offering, and you validate your offer, your idea or business idea. Once you validate this offer, that validation means that you actually have a positive feedback from these clients, beta clients, and they give you the feedback, then exactly express themselves. They tell you that yes, you made a difference in my life. Then you can set the price and start offering these services to other people, okay? Your target audience. And this is, guys, exactly how you start your business. And the number one skill you should actually master when you're starting your business with no money is not to put a website together. It's not to start a YouTube channel. None of that. The number one skill is to own your story, own who you are, be confident, have the right mindset, and learn how to sell. And I don't mean it in any negative way. I'm talking about honest selling, because selling is solving a problem. So when you learn how to sell, and when you actually receive rejection without taking it personally, that is going to shift your business big time, because you're going to connect with people, you're going to gather the feedback, and then you're going to actually adjust, pivot, and that's how you're going to grow faster. So really focus and master that selling technique, because that's going to help you to get where you want to be. Now, again, I'm not talking about scamming people. I'm not talking about being this salesperson who is selling snake oil. None of that. I'm talking about somebody who is really adding value, helping humanity, and solving actual problem. Because here's the deal. Without you selling them your service, you cannot solve their problem. So I hope you enjoy, guys, this video. And if you do like this video, make sure to like it and also subscribe if you are new, and leave your business idea below this video, and I will be giving you some feedback. So I want to hear from you guys. Leave your business idea below this video, and I'm also going to be sharing with you useful webinar, how you go from idea, how you start a business and grow it to 5-figure months, and you can find the link below this video. Other than that, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.